Hello, and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
Within the software, we navigate to the employer screen by hitting the employer icon and then select privately owned cars from the left-hand list. From there, we tap the Add button in the lower left and then enter the mileage car details. We'll enter mileage as the registration number, mileage for the make and model, and put 1000 for the cubic capacity, as that is not used in this scenario. We'll follow the same process to add a car called lump sum, so adding a registration number of lump sum and description of lump sum and a cubic capacity of 1000. We now have 2 cars in the system that we can use to allocate employees' mileage and sum payments. These can be added on a per-employee basis if you so choose. Locate an employee to whom you wish to assign the payment and then click on the plus icon on the right-hand side to add a benefit. Ensure you have selected Section E and Private Cars, and then the default mileage allowance rate, which is 0. We then click the 3 little dots to select a vehicle and click on Mileage to select that car. We then enter the total number of miles driven, in this example 1000, and the amount of money received, which was 500. You'll see the system has calculated a profit of 50. You would then follow the same process to add a lump sum payment, selecting the lump sum car from the 3 dots button and adding the annual amount of the lump sum. Here that is 2000. There are no miles related to this payment, so it is effectively added as a taxable amount in full, taking the total cash equivalent to 2050. It is unlikely that you will be entering this information one employee at a time, so you would use an import file, either a CSV file or an Excel file. That file would need a unique identifier for the employee, like payroll number, the registration number of the vehicle, which would be lump sum or mileage, the total miles travelled, the payments made, and the allowance rate, which is 0. Your spreadsheet would also need columns for to and from dates, although these can remain blank in this instance. The spreadsheet would look a bit like this, where you can see some employees have just mileage payments and others have both lump sum and mileage. We would then start the import wizard from the menu. From the Benefits tab, we would select Section E, Mileage Allowance for Private Cars, and then select our spreadsheet or CSV file. If column mapping is needed, we have an opportunity to perform that task here, and then simply import that data into the system. Once complete, we can list all of our employees and select one to see the results of the import. If we click the Section E icon on the right side of the screen, the data that has been imported will be displayed.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.